So yesterday I posted a video regarding how to claim your free credits for completing the skill badges, and a lot of you are complaining that you were unable to claim the credits. So in this video, I'll share the complete step, what mistakes you are doing, how to get it fixed, and also you can claim the credits completely free of cost for completing the skill badges, and whether you should start doing skill badges or not. First of all, you can see this is a proof that a lot of people have claimed the credits. You can see today also some of the people have claimed and it's working. Now, what is the thing you need to understand? First of all, in the description box of this video, I have attached this particular video link. You have to click on that particular video. Just click on that video. After that, what you have to do, you have to click on this particular link. Now here, one important thing what you have to do, make sure you are signed out to your Skills Boost account or Google Skills account. Otherwise, this step won't work. Now here, what you have to do, you can see below the access code is there. See, the process remains same. When the code is not working, we update the code periodically. So you have to just paste the code over here and click on I'm not robot and simply click on submit over here. Now once you have done this particular step, after that what you have to do, just click on the particular lab over here and then you have to click on sign in. A lot of you are directly signing in directly, or maybe you are logged in already. First of all, you have to log out yourself, and then once you are properly signed in like this, you have to click on this start lab option. Now you have to click on this start lab option. Now what you have to do, you have to wait for at least 5 to 6 minutes. Here you can see the timer, it's running. Once 5 to 6 minutes is completed, you have to simply end the lab. Now once you end the lab, you have to click on your profile. You can see in your case, starter might not be showing here, 0 or 9 credits might be showing. You have to click on this option only. Okay, whatever is showing over there. Then you can see you'll be awarded first of all 9 credits and after some time 400 credits. You need to refresh it after 2 to 3 minutes and then it will be updated. In case it is not showing, just log out again and sign in after some time and try to redo the steps. I hope I was able to clarify all your doubts. If you want to participate in the arcade program, I've attached the video links in the description. If you are interested in Microsoft Student Ambassador program, we have covered that also. Check the videos, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you, goodbye and have a great day ahead. Thank you.